Hello everyone! If you've ever found an old coin in your pocket change, you've probably wondered, could this be worth a fortune? It's a common question, and the answer is rarely as simple as a quick internet search might suggest. Today, we're going to talk about rare coins, specifically the 2000-piece Sacagawea dollar, and look at the reality behind these values. We're focusing on facts, history, and what actually happens at auctions. Section 1. The basics of coin value. Before we look at a specific coin, let's clear up how coin values work. A coin's value is usually determined by three things: rarity, how many were made, and how many still exist today. Condition, this is often called the grade. A coin that looks like it just came from the mint is worth significantly more than one that has been in circulation for years. Demand, how many collectors actually want that specific piece? When you hear about a coin selling for thousands of dollars, it is almost never a common coin you'd find in a typical handful of change. It's usually a specific, rare variety or a mint error that is documented by experts. Section 2. The 2000-piece Sacagawea dollar. Let's talk about the 2000-piece Sacagawea dollar. This was the first year of the series. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 760 million of these. Because the production numbers were so high, the standard 2000-piece Sacagawea dollar is worth exactly its face value, $1. However, because it was a new design, there are specific, rare versions that collectors look for. If you have a 2000-piece Sacagawea dollar, you should look for these specific characteristics. The Wounded Eagle variety. This is a famous die gouge error. You will see a raised, horizontal line passing through the eagle's chest on the reverse of the coin. It's not a scratch. It's a mark created by the minting die itself. Depending on the condition, grade, these have sold at auction for anywhere from a few hundred to over $5,000. The mule error. This is extremely rare. A mule happens when a coin is struck with the wrong dies. In this case, a 2000-piece Sacagawea obverse was paired with a 2000-piece Washington quarter reverse. These are worth significant money, often six figures, but there are only a handful verified to exist. The Cheerios dollar. Some 2000-piece dollars were placed in boxes of Cheerios cereal as a promotion. The Cheerios variety is distinguishable by specific details on the eagle's tail feathers. These are highly sought after and can command high prices in the thousands if they are in top-tier, uncertified condition. Section 3. Reality versus Internet myths. I want to be very clear with you. Most of the Sacagawea dollars you find in circulation are standard coins. They are beautiful, interesting pieces of history featuring Sacagawea and her son, Jean-Baptiste Charbonneau, but they are not rare. If you see a video claiming your standard 2000-piece dollar is worth millions, that is simply not grounded in reality. Real value comes from professional grading, which verifies the authenticity of the coin. If you suspect you have a true error, the first step is to have it examined by a professional or a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC. Section 4. Other rare U.S. coins. If you are interested in what actually sells for big money, it is usually much older, rare U.S. coinage. For example, 1790s large cents. Early U.S. copper coins from the 1790s can sell for thousands. Early gold, cap bust or St. Gaudens gold pieces are classic examples of high-value numismatics. Key date pennies. A 1909 SVB Lincoln cent is a classic example of a coin that holds real, verifiable value because of its low mintage. These coins don't usually turn up in bank rolls or grocery store change. They are typically found in established collections or at specialized auctions. Conclusion: the hobby of coin collecting is about history, not just a quick payday. Each coin tells a story about the era in which it was minted. If you're checking your change, enjoy the hunt, but keep your expectations grounded in the reality of mintage numbers and market demand. If you want to learn more about a specific coin you've found, check official price guides or look at real auction records, not just random social media posts. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Note to user: as a creator, you might consider adding a disclaimer in your video description that values provided are estimates based on historical auction data and are subject to market fluctuations. Always consult a professional for appraisals. Would you like me to refine any part of this script, or should we focus on a different coin for your next project?